Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of frogs. From ancient times to today, frogs have evolved to become amazing jumpers, singers, and survivors. Imagine a world where frogs lived alongside dinosaurs and changed over millions of years. 250 million years ago, the first proto-frog, Triadobatrachus, appeared in Madagascar. It didn't look like frogs today. It had a tail and couldn't jump very well. Think of it like a frog still learning to leap. By the Jurassic period, about 200 million years ago, frogs like Prosalurus had evolved better jumping legs and lost their tails. Imagine frogs hopping around while dinosaurs roamed the Earth. After the asteroid wiped out dinosaurs 66 million years ago, forests regrew, and frogs like Natatanura adapted to live in trees. These frogs became expert climbers, like little acrobats swinging through jungle gyms. 40 million years ago, helmeted frogs lived in Antarctica when it was warm. Picture frogs chilling in forests where penguins now live. It's like frogs on a vacation before the ice came. Today, frogs are like superheroes of the natural world. They help keep bugs under control, which protects our crops and homes. Plus, scientists study frogs to find new medicines. They're tiny but mighty heroes in our ecosystem. Frogs are nature's superheroes. They've adapted to live in forests, deserts, underground, and even survived mass extinctions. Next time you see a frog, remember its incredible journey through time. Tail to leap, frogs keep hopping through history.